Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making beef fillets with a blue cheese and chive compound butter as well as steamed asparagus. So we've got our asparagus steamed, we've set them aside and shocked them in an ice bath to stop the cooking process. We're also going to cook up a little bit of cabbage. So I have sliced some cabbage, it's got a little bit of olive oil on it. We're going to melt just about a tablespoon of butter in a small skillet. And some Worcestershire sauce. I've seasoned this with just a pinch of salt, a few cracks of black pepper. We also have our pan heating for our fillet over medium-high heat. We've seasoned our fillets with salt and pepper and just a drizzle of olive oil. There's about a teaspoon of olive oil in the bottom of our pan for the fillets as well. I want to get a nice sear on those. When the butter is fully melted, we can add the cabbage. Cabbage and we'll let it slowly start to cook. I'm going to bring the heat up just a little bit more. We'll let that start to go. Now when your oil just starts to slightly smoke the way that it has here, we can go ahead and drop our fillets. It's important that when searing a steak you place it and then leave it alone. Don't mess with it. Let it sear on that side. When it's ready to release from the pan, it will naturally let go and it won't give you any resistance. So we'll let that begin to sear. In the meantime, we're going to make our compound butter. So we have some butter that we've let set out at room temperature to let it get soft. I'm going to use the back of my spoon to start to break it up. You could do this in a food processor, but for this small amount, only need to do it in a bowl. I'm going to start to stir up your butter. You can add in your cheese, a little bit of your chive, a pinch of salt, a couple of cracks of pepper. Now this technique is called a compound butter. You can do this with anything. You could make a spicy jalapeno butter. You could do a number of different types of compound butters. Traditionally in restaurants, we will make these up, roll them out into a log in plastic wrap, put them in the fridge and chill them, and then you can slice them after they've hardened back up into little medallions to top steaks with typically, or any meat or fish dish. So it's a really elegant kind of simple technique that you can use to impress your friends at home. Once you've whipped that up, this is what is going to top our fillets. So we're ready to check our fillets. Got a nice hard sear. Ready to flip it again. Now I'm going to bring down the heat to let those continue to cook. We come over here, give our cabbage a quick stir, and we're going to hit it with a bit of Worcestershire sauce. By saying that 5 times fast, I'll give you $1. Alright, we're going to bring the heat up just a little bit and let some of this Worcestershire cook down and reduce into the cabbage. This will pair perfectly with our beef. Cut these into square portions just to look better on the plate. Allowing it to brown all the way around. Alright, once you've got a little bit of color all the way around, you want to leave them alone. Once your Worcestershire sauce has reduced in volume, and this dish will be done. A couple more minutes. Now for the adults, these steaks may be done. I'm going to cook them close to well done just for the kids. Alright, now you can see our Worcestershire sauce is reducing. It's evaporating off. It's really fragrant. I'm offsetting the pan just a little bit to speed up the reduction process here. Just keep it moving a little bit. Alright, so we'll plate this up and we'll show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.